let's get right to it. Isikhathi asisekho. So qala nge-retrenchment. What is retrenchment? Into yokuqala leyo ekumele ukuthi kena si-understand ukuthi iyini i-retrenchment. Ngizoyifunda i-definition yakhona lana as per the labor legislations. Okay? Retrenchment is where an employer terminates employment due to operational requirements, not because of employee misconduct. It usually happens due to the following points. Financial difficulties. 1. Restructuring, when the company is restructuring. 2. Technological changes. Mhlambe they are introducing AIs ukuthi kena ends most of the work, then there is no need for more employees kuleyo department and stuff. It can be whatsoever, or sekuzoba nomshini ozosebenza lapho, but it's technological changes. All right? Bese kuba downsizing, manje kuncishiswa by any reason. Okay, we will get deep to that. Ukuze nje ngizama ukuchaza ngoluka Mageba ukuthi ke i-retrenchment iyini. I-retrenchment ilapho umqashi inqamula inamba noma abasebenzi inqamula ukuthi ke mhlambe benisebenza lapho ni-50, mhlambe uyadiliza sekuzosala 20 or 25 or whatsoever, but uyadiliza. Okay, and lokho kuvama ukuthi kwenzeke because of operational requirements. Kukhona mhlambe okusha okumele kungukuthi kena ama employees ayakumitha or whatsoever, but kukhona ushintsho kumele lenzeke. Then normally kusuke kungukuthi kena mhlambe maybe i-company financial difficulties, mhlambe ba bankrupt or ilose ama investors, umnotho uyile nje okuhlangene nokuzophazamisa imali okwenza ukuthi kena manje i-company mhlambe ayisakwazi ukuhandlisha the number of staffs. Sekumele kungukuthi the number of staff, sekumele yehlise. Or i-restructuring